Okay, we got one. That one. Hold it. We get two. There you go. Who's that? Who's that one? What's his name?
Stripe.
Stripe, yeah.
A Coral.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's the second one.
Yeah.
We got two of that. Oh. We got
What's his name?
pickle.
Who's he? Oh, it's Pickle. Yeah.
We got three, and we got
Yeah, that's one. Oh, who's that guy?
Crusher.
Crusher!
Look at the tongue.
Look at the tongue. It's Crusher.
Me a pig blade.
Whoa. Okay. Okay, what you got? Tell mommy what you got. What's all this one?
Blade, zig, and stripes, same thing, and crusher.
Pickle!
Like blade.
You like Blaze. Which one is your favorite?
Blade.
You like, whoa, whoa, it's so fast.
Pick up, back up. Pick on crusher.
They're friends, right? They're always together.
It's both tires.
Mm-hmm.
Bang. Ooh.
I'm gonna push it.
It's
Hi, the friends.
here.
Wow! You like it?
Yeah. He's a got fire.
He got fire.
What you got? Whoa.
Tell Daddy who's that guy.
Cool. You got them all, please.
Which is that guy?
Stripes, Blaze, and Crusher, and Darrington.
Darrington.
There's the other guy.
Oh, yeah.
And Zig.
Come here.
Zeg.
Bring it here. Bring it
Zeke?
Zig.
Zeg.
Yeah,
Zeg.
Zig.
Zeg. Wow.
And where's the other one?
There's another one? Pickle?
Big Pickle.
Is that Pickle?
Yeah. And where's other this?
There it is.
Whoa, you got them all, I Izzy.
Get
So
up.
cool. Are they your favorite toys now?
Yeah, well, Rice and
Wow.
me with Darrington and me, Mommy with Pickle and
Yeah, I love Pickle.
and
Pickle's funny.
And Pickles and farts with its tail. A crusher.
Yeah, crushed it. Darrington! Ah, watch this.
Darrington
Whoa.
like to stand. Darrington like to show.
It's what a smash.
Smash
do you
Darrington
do?
down. Watch me, guys. Oh,
Oh.
gonna play nice. You hurt poor Darrington.
But they're monsters. Look at them. They're fighting now. Look.
Easy, you'll break them, Izzy. You'll break them. You smash them like that. They're not that strong.
See?
Trust me, I know where they come from.
Top a getter.
Put it.
Oh, exercise time now.
Yeah, see ya.
That's me, Daddy.
Yeah, that's Daddy. Me and you just stay here and play. Oh.
Where's? Where's Crusher?
Oh no, Izzy, don't bang me.
Bang him.
Oh, Crusher, my friend. But they have to upload it first. What's this one?
Pickle, Brace, Darrington, Crusher, Stripes, and Jade.
Hey,
What is it? Show it on the TV.
Alright. That's your favorite. Which one is your favorite?
Wait,
Yo, that's your favorite, Blaze. Yeah, it's nice.
which one is favorite?
Mine is Pickle. It's funny. Yeah, and which one is the one who always cheat?
This.
What's his name?
Crusher. It was tongue.
Yeah, look at his tongue. Always. And so that's why he's not winning, because he's always cheating. And which one is like to stand?
This.
No, like to.
This.
I think it's Darrington. And which one is Blaze Friends?
Pickle, Darrington, Zake, this, and this.
Yeah, not Crusher.
It is Crusher and Frenzies.
Who's Crusher's friend?
This. And Pickle and Crusher,
Always,
same.
yeah, Pickle and Crusher, they're always together, eh?
And he's happy.
He's
Mad.
he's mad.
Tongue.
Yeah, he's always mad.
Go up
The rescue.
Oh,
Easy, Isaiah.
Izzy, that's so hard.
Yeah, hurt her hands. What happens if you break it? Then you don't have a Darrington or a Blaze or a Pickle.
Just slowly, anak. Just pretend.
You're gonna break them if you keep smashing them like that.
You pretend. Just pretend.
Top him. Top of him. Top of him. Top. You see? A
Who's
top.
taller? Who's taller? Oh, Daddy's taller.
Watch me.
Watch me.
Two above his. I'm cute. See?
See? Oh, it's taller. Let's see. It's so balanced. Uh-oh. Taller than dinosaur?
Ah.
Uh-oh.
This guy, I think, should be the top because he's got all that stuff on his roof.
Taller than dinosaur?
Get Stripes.
Where's Stripes, Izzy?
He's right there, hiding behind the couch. See him?
Got him.
Got him. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I think only 4 can do. Crusher's Crusher can't join. Poor Crusher.
Uh-oh.
He's crying.
Not crying.
Hold your tears, Crusher. I'm working on it.
Chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp.
Oh,
Chomp,
no
chomp.
more. Chomp, chomp.
Yeah, you had 4 of them. You mean dinosaur. Ow.
Lagi nak, Daddy get hurt.
Go back to your home
No.
if you're not gonna play nice.
No.
Really nice.
Stop.
We like to play nice around here.
No. Dead. Dada. Top.
There's 6 of us and only 1 of you.
Done. And then welcome my fire. Don't take my back.
Get it.
Don't
Okay.
cross my bridge.
Okay, I won't cross your bridge. What if we guess the secret word?
What's the secret
Big
word?
word.
Yeah, it was the secret word.
No, it's play that clock. It's times. A play clock.
play clock.
Yeah.
Is the secret word pterodactyl?
Yeah. Take that cursor and fly here.
Oh.
And dinosaur chomp chomp and sharp teeth.
Yeah, you got sharp chompers.
Tongue. Tongue.
Tongue.
Chomp chomp.
Daddy's gotta brush his